Our Network Administration Diploma is designed to match the current requirements of the IT job market. You start by building the skills you need to understand the hardware and software components of computers, including troubleshooting PC problems, handling installation and understanding computers from the inside out. Next, you focus on networking, starting from basic networking fundamentals and going all the way into the infrastructure of networking, which will give you strong knowledge of how network functions and how to configure and manage routers, switches, and other networking equipment. After that, the Networking Administration Diploma focuses on the server side, beginning with server infrastructure and their services, such as DNS, DHCP, Active Directory, identity management, and how to manage all these advanced networking services. The diploma also goes through the knowledge of cloud services, integration, and how those services are provided with different cloud vendors such as Microsoft and Amazon. Then you will learn about securing servers, which will give you deep knowledge on how to strengthen the security on servers. To complete your knowledge, you need to know email systems. So here comes the Exchange Server course, where you will learn how to deploy, configure, and manage Microsoft Exchange Server. After that, you will enhance your security concepts, which will introduce you to the concepts of cyber attack and defense and the various domains of security. Our CIMT college program also includes an in-depth understanding of wireless technology, how it works, and how it's managed and secured. This combines to give most thorough training in network administration with networking certifications for you to earn. And remember, Microsoft and Cisco certifications are recognized worldwide. We have an in-house testing center where you can write your exams right on campus and at a reduced price. There's a huge job market that continues to grow in the information technology. As long as the business has a network, it needs a network administrator. And nowadays, that's every organization, like colleges, universities, convocation centers, staffing companies, retail outlets, governments, sales and technical companies, small business, big business, huge international business. They all need someone to administer their network. Graduates from this diploma program can work in technical support or as system administrators, computer network technicians, information technology professionals, network support for PC or support technician, network administrators, and much more. The salary range is from mid to high range to start, and it can go up based on experience. Highly skilled and experienced network administrators can earn from $60,000 to $90,000 per year. CIMT College provides you with education and training for success in the field of information technology. Call us today and start your journey to a new career tomorrow.